Monkeys represent one of nature's most fascinating examples of evolutionary success, having adapted to virtually every tropical and subtropical environment on Earth. From the dense canopies of Amazon rainforests to the Rocky Mountains of Asia, these remarkable primates have developed intricate social systems, sophisticated communication methods, and problem-solving abilities that continue to astound researchers worldwide. Diversity across the globe. The world of monkeys encompasses over 260 species, broadly divided into Old World monkeys of Africa and Asia, and New World monkeys of Central and South America. Each group has evolved distinct characteristics shaped by millions of years of geographic separation. Old World monkeys, including baboons, macaques, and vervet monkeys, possess downward-facing nostrils and often have specialized cheek pouches for storing food. New World monkeys, such as howler monkeys, spider monkeys, and capuchins, feature sideways-facing nostrils, and many species have developed prehensile tails that function like a fifth limb. This diversity extends far beyond physical appearances. Japanese macaques have learned to bathe in hot springs during harsh winters, while proboscis monkeys of Borneo have developed enlarged noses that amplify their calls across mangrove swamps. Each species has fine-tuned their anatomy and behavior to thrive in specific ecological niches, creating a tapestry of adaptation that spans continents. Social architecture and hierarchy. Perhaps nowhere is monkey intelligence more evident than in their complex social structures. Most monkey species live in groups ranging from small family units to massive troops of several hundred individuals. These societies operate on intricate hierarchical systems where position determines access to food, mates, and prime territory. Baboon troops exemplify this social complexity, with alpha males maintaining dominance through displays of strength while forming strategic alliances with other males. Females typically remain in their birth groups for life, creating matrilineal societies where daughters inherit their mother's social rank. These hierarchies are not static but constantly shift through political maneuvering, coalition building, and occasional dramatic overthrows. Grooming serves as the social glue that binds these communities together. Far more than simple hygiene, mutual grooming strengthens bonds, reduces tension, and establishes social networks. A monkey's grooming partners often predict their allies during conflicts and their success in climbing the social ladder. Communication beyond words. Monkeys have developed sophisticated communication systems that rival human complexity in many ways. Vervet monkeys possess distinct alarm calls for different predators, one for leopards, another for eagles, and a third for snakes. Remarkably, these calls are not merely reflexive responses but appear to convey specific information, with young monkeys learning the appropriate calls through observation and practice. Facial expressions form another crucial component of monkey communication. The subtle differences between a play face, a threat grimace, and a submissive grin can mean the difference between friendship and conflict. Some species have evolved elaborate displays involving colorful facial features, body postures, and vocalizations that can communicate emotional states and intentions across considerable distances. Intelligence and tool use. The cognitive abilities of monkeys continue to challenge our understanding of intelligence in the animal kingdom. Capuchin monkeys regularly use stones to crack nuts, carefully selecting tools based on size and weight. They pass these techniques down through generations, creating distinct cultural traditions within different populations. Macaques have demonstrated remarkable adaptability in human-dominated environments. In cities across Asia, these primates have learned to exploit human behavior, timing their raids on garbage cans with collection schedules and even using traffic patterns to their advantage. Some populations have learned to wash sweet potatoes in seawater, not just for cleanliness but apparently for the added flavor of salt. Problem-solving abilities extend to complex scenarios requiring multiple steps and forward planning. Laboratory studies have shown monkeys can learn abstract concepts, use symbols, and even demonstrate basic mathematical understanding. In the wild, they navigate complex three-dimensional environments, remember the locations of hundreds of food sources, and track the ripening schedules of different fruit trees across vast territories. Dietary adaptations and foraging. Monkey diets reflect their remarkable adaptability, ranging from highly specialized leaf eaters to opportunistic omnivores. Howler monkeys have evolved enlarged stomachs and extended digestive tracts to extract nutrients from tough leaves, while their powerful jaw muscles and specialized teeth allow them to process fibrous vegetation that would be indigestible to most mammals. Fruit-eating species play crucial ecological roles as seed dispersers, with some plants having evolved specifically to attract monkey attention through bright colors and enticing aromas. These primates often travel considerable distances between feeding sites, inadvertently planting forests as they move through their territories. The foraging strategies of different species reveal remarkable cognitive sophistication. Spider monkeys create mental maps of their territory, tracking seasonal changes in food availability and planning efficient routes between patches. They demonstrate what researchers call economic decision-making, weighing the energy costs of travel against the quality and quantity of available resources. Challenges in a changing world. Modern monkey populations face unprecedented challenges as human activities reshape their ancient habitats. Deforestation, agricultural expansion, and urban development have fragmented once continuous forests into isolated patches, forcing many species to adapt to human-dominated landscapes or face extinction. Climate change adds another layer of complexity, altering rainfall patterns and shifting the timing of fruiting seasons that many species depend upon. Some monkey populations have shown remarkable resilience, adjusting their behavior and diet in response to these changes. Others, particularly specialized species with narrow habitat requirements, struggle to cope with rapidly changing conditions. Conservation efforts increasingly recognize that protecting monkeys requires understanding their complex social and ecological needs. Successful programs often involve local communities, creating economic incentives for habitat protection while addressing the immediate needs of human populations sharing these landscapes. The future of monkey life. The story of monkey life is ultimately one of remarkable adaptability, intelligence, and social complexity. These primates have survived ice ages, continental drift, and countless environmental changes over millions of years. Their ability to learn, adapt, and innovate provides hope for their continued survival in an increasingly human-dominated world. Understanding monkey life offers profound insights into our own evolutionary history and the fundamental principles governing social behavior, communication, and intelligence. As we face our own environmental challenges, perhaps we can learn from these resilient primates who have mastered the art of living successfully in complex, ever-changing communities. Their story reminds us that survival often depends not just on individual abilities, but on the strength of social bonds and the wisdom passed down through generations.